Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today I'm doing a quick video of doing my my March favorites this month. I'm gonna do a quick video of a chicken sandwich I've been doing for years, and Popeye Chicken, like, they wanted to take over and a few years ago and do my chicken sandwich. So this I call this my deluxe fried chicken sandwich. I got a lot of little tricks and hills and valleys with it to make it the best chicken sandwich you ever eaten, I promise you. So let's get started here. I ain't gonna delay the video today with a lot of talking. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my chicken. I'm gonna put my calendars on here. I got a new shake here. I need to take the thing off of it. Got a new one here. Alright. Put a little bit shake on there. We're going to season both sides. And a little paprika. A little paprika to give it that color. The red color that you're looking for in the buffalo. It's like a buffalo chicken sandwich, y'all. But it's a buffalo deluxe chicken sandwich. That's what it is. Okay. Turn the chicken. I pounded these chicken breasts really thin so they don't take long to cook. They're going to take 10-15 minutes to cook in the skillet. So I'm going to cook the other side, season on the other side. That's very important. You get it good and seasoned. Season that. And a little paprika for color, y'all. Want that little color on it, like it's spicy. And you can put cayenne too. I can't handle the cayenne. Put cayenne pepper on it if you want. Okay. Let me get a little closer shot, y'all. Then I'll move over to the skillet in a second. Okay. Now we're gonna do I'm gonna double bread this. Put in the flour. Flour really good. Buttermilk, flour, buttermilk, flour again, y'all. Use my hands for this. And into the fryer, to the oil. Again. Buttermilk. I'll use my hands to make it easier. Into the fryer oil. Not fryer oil. I'm doing it in a skillet, y'all. I keep saying fryer. Into the skillet. And there I have buttermilk in here, y'all. What that is? Just buttermilk. I get one more in here. And the flour. And I'm gonna move it over here so y'all can see it frying. Very simple, y'all. Very simple. There we go. Turn my fire back up. I'll fry these other ones off in just a second. Like I say, these don't take long to fry because they're so thin. Cut them so thin, they don't take long at all. And I got some nice buns here. My Hawaiian sweet buns. I'm gonna use these here to put it on. So I'm gonna toast these off. I'm gonna toast a couple of them off on my griller here. Let me turn my griddle up. Like I say, y'all, this ain't gonna take long at all. This little dish here. up out the way. Try this one. This ain't time to turn over. Turn that one over. Nice and tender and crispy this chicken gonna be. So let me get some butter for my buns. Buns up here. I'm buttering my buns over here, y'all. I'll put it in where y'all can see in just a second. Okay. Okay, put my buns over here on my flat top. Up a little. And this one over. Oh yeah. Ain't go wrong. And I got my buns right here, y'all. See my buns here? Alright, y'all, I'm back here. I knocked myself offline there. Okay, yeah, I got my buns heating up here. Chicken is frying. Turn them over. Like I said, it don't take long on the griddle. I like to toast them on both sides, y'all. Get that nice. I'm going to flip them back over here in a second. In the meantime, I got lettuce and tomatoes here. Thinly sliced tomatoes. I like to shred my lettuce. When I build this sandwich, I'm going to put ranch dressing on the bottom. And I'm going to put this, you can use the Sweet Baby Ray's have a buffalo wings sauce. You can use that one, but I like this one better. My Hellmans spicy dipping sauce. That's what's going to go on the top of the sandwich. You can use either or, either one you like. Turn the buns back over. I think the important part is have your buns nice and toasted. And I'm going to turn the griddle off and just let them sit down that hot griddle. Very easy dish. Very easy meal, y'all. Very easy and simple. Turn the chicken back over. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong, y'all. My chicken here. Oh yeah, the chicken breast is ready, y'all. Oh yeah, definitely ready. So I got my pan here, y'all. I'm gonna put it on this, put it on my rack. Let it drain right here on my rack. That's the key of having your chicken breast cut really, really thin. Oh, that's nice and crispy, y'all. Nice and crispy. Oh yeah. See them buns, how nice and toasty they are? That's what you want, y'all. Put that chicken up there, and I'm gonna put the last sear on that. Bread these, I have 2 more pieces to do. I'm gonna bread these up, put them in the oil. We'll finish these off. There we go. One more little piece. That's it. Okay, y'all. We're going to build this sandwich while the other ones are cooking. I'm going to show you how I build this. Like I said, it's going to be a nice, quick video today. Just got off work, and y'all know me. I'm always cooking from home. So I thought I'd do my chicken sandwich right quick. Usually don't take me this long, of course. Now I'm doing a video, it takes a little bit longer. Okay. Now let me turn my camera this way so y'all see me build this sandwich right quick. Okay, put my bottom buns here. Like I say, I like to put ranch on the bottom. If you don't like ranch, use blue cheese. I'm a ranch person when it comes with my chicken wings. I put my lettuce on here. Then I like to, when I do my tomatoes, I like them to be thinly sliced. I don't like to bite into a sandwich that have a thick tomato on it. That just turned me off big time. Okay. Got my tomato on there. Okay. Now we get our chicken breast. Put our chicken breast on there. Put our other chicken breast on there. Then we put our dipping sauce on top here. Look at that. Look at that. That's going to give it the spiciness. Then you put your top bun on there. I'm telling y'all, this is going to be you do this for your family, they're going to think this is the best thing in the world. Popeyes don't have nothing on this chicken sandwich right here, y'all. Nothing. Okay. Put this to the side, and all you do, cut it in half. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. How pretty that is. Let me cut this from here. That's it. Got a plate here. Stir this with some fries. It's all good, y'all. Southern right there. You probably asking, can I eat both of these sandwiches? Oh, yes. I definitely can eat both of them. So I'm going to be right back in just a second. I got to do a thumbnail and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, let's try this sandwich out here. I know it's good, but just to show y'all how good it is. Crispy. Very crispy. You know, I double fried it in the buttermilk and flour. We got the spiciness from the sauce. Sauce. And then that buttermilk ranch, a dipping sauce right here. You got the ranch, everything you need, y'all. Perfect sandwich. Like I say, you can spice it up. You can spice it up with cayenne pepper if you want it. But if you don't like spicy, do it like I just did. Very simple, y'all. And the bun is so soft. Like that sweet Hawaiian buns. Very soft. But anyway, like I say, this is nothing fancy. Just a little quick video to show y'all my deluxe fried crispy chicken sandwich that I've been doing for years. Chicken breast, you can get a couple of chicken breasts, a pound of chicken breast, will last you a long time. If you cut it and pound it out like I just did, look how much chicken breast I still have left. See all this chicken breast I still have left? I can make more sandwiches, still crispy. See how crispy and nice and golden brown it is? Eat that like that over some gravy. Hold on, let me take one more bite of this sandwich, because this sandwich is absolutely awesome. everything, all the flavors. It's all about flavors, y'all. The ranch working together with the heat of the spicy dipping sauce. Lettuce and tomatoes nice and crisp. And the crispness of the chicken is very well seasoned. Y'all see me season it. So anyway, let me close this video out. Like I close every video. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year? The hashtag is help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day.